Considerations for choosing an external wall insulation contractor in Ireland. Choosing the right contractor for external wall insulation (EWI) in Ireland is just as important as selecting the right materials. A properly installed EWI system can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, reduce heating costs, and enhance indoor comfort, but poor workmanship can lead to long-term structural damage, such as moisture buildup and wall deterioration. To ensure a successful project, look for SEAI-certified contractors who meet Irish building standards, have a strong track record, and use high-quality, breathable materials suited to Ireland's damp and variable climate. Additionally, the best contractors provide guidance on whether planning permission is required, help with SEAI grant applications, offer long-term warranties, and include aftercare and maintenance services. Some may even offer sustainable, eco-friendly insulation solutions. Ultimately, choosing a reputable and experienced EWI contractor ensures peace of mind, long-lasting protection, and maximum value for your home investment.